Good morning, grade 3rd. In today's read aloud, we are having a book, Be My Neighbor, with the words of wisdom from Fred Rogers, along with Maya Ajmera and John D. Ivanko. So let's see what they want to say in Be My Neighbor book. Neighbor, as we know that we call those persons who are living near to our house. Fred Rocher. The words of wisdom were given by him. Your neighborhood is a special place. A neighborhood is where you live, learn, grow up, play, and work, surrounded by your family and friends. Each and every neighborhood is a special place. Yours might be in the mountains, along a coast, or somewhere in between. It might have important historical sites, such as monuments or the home of someone famous. See the neighborhood places or neighbors. It may be a part of a village, town, or big city. It can be anything. Neighborhoods around the world can look very different. Some neighborhoods have lots and lots of people in them, while others have only a small population, such as those on a remote island in the country or high up in the hills. Some neighborhoods are made up of a few buildings in a town or village, while others stretch for miles and miles and are part of a big city. See, someone having few houses nearby and someone are living on the hilly areas and some are living in a crowded areas, what we call them cities. These kind of activities we are doing in our neighborhood. Every neighborhood is made up of lots of different people. Your neighborhood can be made up of people of all ages, interests, and backgrounds. We find old age people also, we find children also, we find the middle aged persons also. Some are having the interest of reading, writing, some are having interest of playing, some are having the interest of walking and taking rounds. Everything is different. Some members of your neighborhood may live like you or your family, or others may have different habits and customs. Like some are Sikhs, some are Hindus, and some are Muslims, and they are having their own kinds of festivals and their community also. The post office, town square, places of worship, and sports fields are places where people from your community come together. And the places where they all come together are like post office, people of Sikh community, people of Hindu community, people of Muslim community. They can go in that places. Places of worship like in Gurdwaras, people of Hindu community and Muslim, they are also going in Gurdwaras. And from Sikh community, people are also going in their temples and other places also. Sports, everyone can participate. You can see the pictures. Everyone is here from all other communities. Can you see the pictures? They have shown you the pictures of different countries. Turkey, Bahamas, Mali. And here you can see Mongolia, Philippines. And this is from Japan. And lots of different homes also there in the community. You can see the homes are different shapes and structures. Everything is different. A house can be just for your family, or it can be an apartment in a large building. But where many families live next to one another. Houses can be made from different materials such as wood, brick, glass, or even mud, grass, or rocks. Houses can be made with the help of cement, bricks also, glass also, and it can be made with the mud. That means soil, grass, and rocks also. In places where the weather is cold, houses are made to keep you warm. And in warm climate, houses are built to keep you cool. No matter where you live, houses are making you and your family comfortable, dry, and safe. Neighborhoods also have schools. That's interesting now. Every neighborhood, every place is having a school inside it. The students' pictures you can see here who are sitting in the classrooms, going, moving, and studying. Classroom of Kenya, classroom of China, and classroom of Cuba, Brazil. There are many kinds of schools in your neighborhood. Some are large and some may be small, as just one room. Sometimes school is held in your house. Schools are important because they help you learn and become more helpful to your community. Now it's not necessary that you have to place a big building for the school. You can start the school from your home also in a single room like this. It can be start from one room also. It is an important place because in schools we learn how to be a good people and how we have to be a good citizen also. Places to worship like gurdwaras, masjid, we are having temples also, church also. Now you can see this is the places of worship in Thailand, Iraq, this is Brunei, and here this is Jamaica, and this is USA. Your neighborhood often has one or more places to worship, depending on the religious beliefs of the people who live there. You might go with your family to a large cathedral, synagogue, or mosque. You may have friends who go to a temple or worship in their homes. Places to play, and that are important part for you. Mexico, France, Belize, and here it is another part of playing the students, and you all know that playing is necessary for all of you. Parks, plazas, streets, and backyards are all places to play in a community. If your neighborhood is near to a lake or river or an ocean, you and your friends might go swimming, fishing, or even boating. Swimming pools, ice rinks, sports fields, and playgrounds are the places specially made for having fun. That's right, we have to go for the playing just for fun. And places to buy things you need. So, I don't think so. I have to read the matter for this. Like we all know that we are having markets, and from market we have to purchase the vegetables, fruits, and all the things that we need to eat. Can you see a boy having orange in the hand? And he's very happy that he is purchasing the things. and there are lots of ways to get around your neighborhood. बहुत. Can you see Costa Rica, USA, here Thailand, this is Argentina, and this is India. Finally we have got a picture from India also. Buses, cars, trains, boats and big trucks are some ways that you can get from one part of your neighborhood to another. For short distances, walking, biking and skateboarding are also good ways to get around with your friends. So if you are going somewhere, you can use these kind of transportation facilities to move from one place to another. And if you are going from one house to another house, you can use cycle or you can use your feet walk also. Feet walk means you can move on your feet. Neighborhoods have special events and big celebrations. We are also celebrating the festivals. We are also celebrating our national festivals. We are celebrating Diwali, Dussehra, Holi or others. They are also celebrating their own festivals, parades, cultural events and other things. Can you see the pictures? It's picture from Russia, USA. Oh, very good. We are having the picture of India also celebrating Independence Day. And this is of Spain. They are also celebrating their parade.